Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to receive money on Wise via phone number. It's important to clarify how Wise handles receiving money via phone numbers. While the concept might seem straightforward, it is integrated within Wise broader functionality. Here's a breakdown based on Wise information. Wise allows users to make their profiles discoverable by email or phone number. This enables other Wise users to find them easily. This is not necessarily a direct money to phone number transfer like some mobile wallets, but rather a way for other Wise users to locate your Wise account. Wise to Wise transfer. The phone number functionality is primarily designed to simplify transfers between Wise users. External phone number services. Wise also integrates with external phone number money transfer services in certain regions. This allows for money to be sent to mobile money accounts like M-Pesa, bCash, etc. This is very dependent on the region that the money is being sent to. Here's how it usually works. Within your Wise account settings, usually under security and privacy, you can choose to make your profile discoverable by phone number or email. This allows other Wise users who have your contact information to find you within the Wise platform. Wise user transfers. If another Wise user wants to send you money and they have your phone number, they can search for you within Wise. If your discoverability is enabled, your Wise profile will appear and they can then initiate a transfer. External mobile money transfers. If the sender is sending money to a country that utilizes mobile money services that Wise supports, then the sender can use the phone number to send money to that mobile money account. This is not the same as sending money directly to your Wise account, but rather sending money to an external mobile money service. It's important for you to note that for the most accurate and up-to-date details, you should always refer to the official Wise Help Center. And then, the availability and specific procedures for phone number transfers may vary depending on your location and the sender's location. In essence, Wise uses phone numbers to enhance user discoverability within its platforms, simplifying transfers between Wise users. Also, Wise integrates with other mobile money services to allow for money to be sent to those services.